This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7 Pro versus its predecessor, the OnePlus 6T. Now the 7 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 855. OnePlus 6T has the Snapdragon 845 from last year. They both have 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 9 Pie with their latest version of the Oxygen OS. OnePlus 7 Pro also has UFS 3.0 storage, so we'll see if that plays a factor. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, that was fairly close, but I'm gonna give the boot up win to the 7 Pro. Nothing in the background on both. All apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the Messages app. Identical. The camera. And let's go. Draw. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both, and we'll leave that running in the background. Chrome. We'll run a search for GSM Arena on both phones. Go. And having a look. And I'm gonna give the edge to the 7 Pro. This ad came up first on it. We'll do some scrolling here, and we'll go to the desktop version. And let's see, waiting for this ad, if it's gonna come up. Not sure if it's gonna come up. Very similar on both. Slow down the video for me. We'll pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the 6T. However, on the 7 Pro, with its 90 Hz display, this is buttery smooth, ultra smooth on the 7 Pro. Compared to the 6T, yeah, a definite difference here. You're not gonna be able to tell on camera, but in real life, IRL, 7 Pro is definitely smoother. We'll leave it there. Calculator on both. Tie. The Play Store. Very close. Maybe I think that was the 6T actually. Not sure. We'll do a search for the annoying TikTok app. Go. We'll go ahead and install this. Both are downloading. Now this may also have to do with internet speeds, so you can take this with a grain of salt if you want. And it looks like the 6T is installing this first. Installing. Ooh, and give the win to the 7 Pro on that. We'll leave it there. Amazon shopping. Very close, 7 Pro by a little bit. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay. 7 Pro. We'll click on this Lenovo laptop. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. I think the 7 Pro is ahead, and we'll give the win to the 7. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Ooh, 7 Pro is ahead. We'll give the win to the 7 Pro. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. 7 Pro is ahead. Will the 6T catch up? No, it does not. We'll give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro on the left. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Which one will come out on top? Ooh, and give the win to the 7 Pro. We'll tap to play once, and we'll get out of it right there. PUBG Mobile. Ooh, 7 Pro coming out in front. Hearing noise from the 7 Pro, loading on the 7 Pro already, and it's probably gonna take the win here. Yup, give the win to the OnePlus 7 so you can see. All right, 6T lagging a little bit here, but still not too bad for last year's phone. Adobe Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Charm on both, and I'm gonna click on Charm 2. I'm gonna jack up this filter all the way. And I'm gonna click on the export here on both. So I'm gonna save it to gallery and see which phone will do this faster. Keep in mind, 7 Pro does have the 3.0 storage, so we'll see if that plays a factor. And let's go. And give the win to the 7 Pro on the left. Twitter. Call that one a draw. Instagram. Identical, maybe 7 Pro by a split second. Snapchat. 7 Pro. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Both phones do have 8 gigs of RAM, so RAM management should not be an issue, but we'll go through these apps again and we'll just see what happens. Photoshop, looking good so far. PUBG still there, same place, and Asphalt 9. No issues, no quick reloads or anything. Angry Birds 2, same place on both phones. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Mario Run, Mario Time, that's for show. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Woo, nice and fast. Still on GSM Arena on the Chrome. No issues. Clock, still running in the background. The camera, no issues, really. And the Messages app, a little bit of a lag on the 6T. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the OnePlus 6T or the OnePlus 6, or maybe even a OnePlus 5 or 5T? Are you gonna upgrade to the OnePlus 7 Pro? Now with curved glass front and back, an excellent AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and also no notch or cutout anywhere up front. So the viewing experience on this phone is awesome, combined with its Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Hard to beat. So are you gonna upgrade to the 7 Pro, or are you gonna stick with your OnePlus 6T? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. And perhaps wait to see what OnePlus will come out with later on this year. And shout out to my kitty in the background.